My, my name is John Turner, and I'll tell you, I've been around the block a few times, and I never had a burger like this before in my whole life. This is the best burger I ever had. It's a buffalo burger. I'll tell you, I come here every day of the week, and I don't understand some of these people going to Burger King or whatever the heck that is, or I don't know, but I can tell you this. You listen to John Turner. He knows. That's the best, Tim. That's the best burger I ever had. And you can put that in writing. I'm going to go in and enjoy my buffalo burger. Thank you. I like the bison burger here at Ted Montana's Grill. I don't know. I can't understand why anybody would go anywhere else for the burger. This bison burger with the little flag in it here is about the best you can get anywhere. So try it out. Come into the Ted's Montana Grill for the best bison burger you ever gonna have. When you get the bison burger, make sure you get the real deal and they give you the cookies. You see that right there? That's chocolate chip cookies. Well, I'm going to go in now and have another one. I was here earlier, but I got to go back.